As a hairstylist, when you purchase hair bundles, you're most times offered raw hair, single drawn hair, double drawn hair, Remy hair, non-Remy hair, virgin hair, and non-virgin hair. In this video report, I'd like to create some definition for each of above, and if you'd like to add something, please do so in the comments section. The definition of raw hair. Raw hair is the hair that is cut from the female donor and offered for sale as it is. Raw hair is mainly washed, lice, eggs removed by hand and maybe trimmed at the ends. This is how raw hair is offered. If any other adjustments are done to hair, then it is not considered as raw hair anymore. The definition of single drawn hair. Single drawn hair is the hair bundle that has been groomed in order to remove very short hairs from the bundle. The hair bundle might lose some weight while being groomed. That makes it single drawn. Obviously, it is slightly more expensive than raw hair. Single drawn hair is usually comes washed, lice, eggs removed by hand and maybe trimmed at the ends. If no grooming was done to hair, then it is not considered as single drawn hair. It's more like raw hair. The definition of double drawn hair. Double drawn hair is the hair that has been groomed many times in order to leave the same lengths of hairs inside the bundle. Apparently, it is intentional and certainly it's pricey hair. It's mostly requested by wig makers. The definition of Remy hair. To understand the idea of Remy hair, first you will need to look at the cuticles of the hair. Cuticle is the outer protection layers of the hair strand. The cuticles grow along with the hair and they have one strict direction. Starting point is the root of the hair and ending point is the ends of the hair strand. On the microscope, cuticles might look wide open or tightly closed. In both cases, cuticles grow always to the same direction, from root to end in each of hair strand. So such kind of naturally grown hair is known as Remy hair. The definition of non-Remy hair. Sometimes we have hairs collected from the floor and we bunch it to a bundle. So what's wrong with such hair bundle? If you're thinking such hair bundle is collected from hair strands with differently directed cuticles, then you are absolutely right. So such hair known as non-Remy hair. They have differently routed cuticle strands. Also note, such non-Remy hairs are hardly detangled and they lead to tangle a lot. There are some manufactured non-Remy hairs also do exist. Sometimes hairs from different females are mixed and created into several bundles. Such bundles might have different textures, structures, and even cuticles with up and down direction root. So in order to create smooth, natural-looking hairs, many manufacturers are intentionally removing the outer layers of the hair strands. The hair becomes just a fiber with no cuticles at all. Obviously, such hairs are usually very cheap and very low graded. The definition of virgin hair. If the hair is cut from female donor, comes in natural color, and it has not been dyed nor bleached, then it's mostly likely virgin hair. Virgin hair is a hair that has never been chemically altered. If hair has been washed, trimmed, styled, groomed, cut, then it is still staying virgin. As soon as appropriate chemical modifies the hair, then it becomes non-virgin. The definition of non-virgin hair. All non-Remy hairs are non-virgin. Also, the hair that has been dyed, bleached, altered with some veritable chemicals immediately becomes non-virgin. So now you know the types of hairs and what do you think is the best to purchase for your clients. Quiz. Please see the video and write down the correct answer in the comments section. Thank you. I've got several hair bundles on my hand and all of them were cut from healthy females. They told me that they never dyed nor bleached their hairs before. Most times girls say that because they know uncolored hairs are sold at high prices. So now, how would you check the hair grade when purchasing them from donors? Please see the answers below and choose one or more. Thank you. Böyle mi? Böyle mi?